Welcome! In this new video, I'll show you how I hand-carved the Celtic god Cernunnos in wax to create a model for a future silver pendant. I chose Cernunnos because, first of all, I've always been fascinated by ancient cultures, their mythologies and everything that surrounds them. Not only the Celts, but all cultures around the world. In fact, as you can see in my other videos, I tend to create models of figures from different ancient mythologies. I chose Cernunnos because his figure, from what little we know, fascinates me, and I believe it will be an interesting and challenging model to create. First, I decided to create the background, on which I will later place the figure of Cernunnos. For the background, I chose an intricate Celtic decoration. To create it, the first thing I do is glue a sheet with the design of what I want to make onto the wax, in this case a print of the decoration. Usually, I draw the subject myself, but here precision was needed, so I preferred to print it. Once glued, I trace the design with a metal point so that when I remove the paper, it leaves a mark that I can work on and model until I achieve the final result. First, I carve the lines, and then I gradually make the bas relief more detailed and accurate by continuing to carve and shape it. Just a quick interruption. I'd be very grateful if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, and you'll stay updated on all my future videos. But for me, it would make a big difference and help me a lot. Thank you very much. The second part is creating the god Cernunnos. Here too, I start by gluing the design onto the wax, after cutting the piece I need, and then tracing it, after piercing it. Then I begin to sculpt the face, hair, and everything else. Here as well I proceed gradually, bringing out the subject little by little from the block of wax. If you want to see what my models look like once they have been cast in silver, you can find them on my website. I'll leave the link below in the description. Sometimes, like with the nose and other parts of the face, it's easier for me to add wax later than starting from a larger blocks of wax. So, using an old soldering iron and a tip I made myself, I add wax where needed and then shape it as I please. The final step is to assemble all the pieces together to have the model ready for casting in silver. And here, the final model. I am pleased with how it turned out. It was fun to create. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out this other video. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. And I'll see you next week with the next one. Thanks a lot.